Hey there, are you tired of the 9 to 5 grind and looking for some easy online jobs that you can do from the comfort of your own home? Well, you are in luck. In this video, I am going to show you 3 easy online jobs that pay $30 per hour. And the best part, you don't need any special skills or experience to get started. First of all, make sure to download this free book that reveals how to build the #1 digital asset online using just your email address and 15 to 30 minutes of work daily. This book helped me to leave my 9 to 5 job and build a sustainable online business. Make sure to download it now. Let's jump right in. Online job number 1. Online tutoring. The first online job we are going to talk about is online tutoring. If you have a passion for teaching and helping others learn, then this could be the perfect job for you. There are many online tutoring platforms like Check, TutorMe, and Varsity Tutors that allow you to connect with students who need help in various subjects. Here is how you can get started. Step number 1. Choose a platform that suits your needs and sign up as a tutor. Step number 2. Create a comprehensive profile that highlights your experience, qualifications, and availability. Step number 3. Set your hourly rate and start applying for jobs that match your expertise. Step number 4. Once you get hired, schedule your sessions with the students and start teaching. Online job number 2. Freelance writing. The second online job you are going to talk about is freelance writing. If you have a way with words and love to write, then you can make a good income by working as a freelance writer. There are many online platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr that offer a variety of writing jobs. Here is how you can get started. Step number 1. Choose a platform that suits your needs and sign up as a writer. Step number 2. Create a compelling profile that shows your writing skills and experience. Step number 3. Browse through the available jobs and apply for the ones that match your expertise and interests. Step number 4. Once you get hired, communicate with the client and deliver high-quality content within the deadline. Online job number 3. Virtual assistants. The third online job you are going to talk about is virtual assistants. If you are organized, good at multitasking, and love to help others, then you can make a good income by working as a virtual assistant. There are many online platforms like Zirtual, Time etc. and Task Bullet that offer virtual assistant jobs. Here is how you can get started. Step number 1. Choose a platform that suits your needs and sign up as a virtual assistant. Step number 2. Create a detailed profile that showcases your skills and experience. Step number 3. Browse through the available jobs and apply for the ones that match your skills and interests. Step number 4. Once you get hired, communicate with the client and provide the required services like scheduling appointments, managing emails, and social media accounts. So, there you have it, 3 easy online jobs that pay $30 per hour. Whether you are a student, a stay-at-home parent, or just looking for some extra income, these jobs can help you achieve your financial goals. Remember, it's important to choose a job that aligns with your skills and interests, and to always deliver high-quality work. So go ahead and give it a try. Now subscribe to my channel to watch more videos like this. At the same time, make sure to download the free book I mentioned. I invite you to watch the video that shows the 5 I income skills that can make you rich. Fortunately, you can learn these skills in 2 or 3 weeks. Thanks for watching.